Good morning. This morning we are going to do Social Sciences, Grade 7E, Term 2, Geography, Unit 4, Floods. I am Rosie Miller. I am at VTA School, Vanderbijl Park. Unit 4, the causes of floods. Heavy rains. Flooding happens when there is too much water in a place. Rivers cannot contain the water. It flows over the banks and covers the land. Poor farming techniques. Farmers must practice contour ploughing, which is to plough the land from side to side, across a slope rather than from top to bottom. Fire and loss of vegetation. Loss of vegetation and deforestation causes floods. When trees are cleared or burned, it causes soil erosion. The roots of trees help to anchor the soil and hold it in place when it rains. The soil gets washed away and settles at the bottom of rivers and dams, and the rivers floods as the water level rises. As you can see, there's a picture on the background that shows you how the rivers are flooding as the water is rising because of all the sand that gets washed away and deposited at the bottom of the dams and rivers. That is how flooding is caused. Settlement. In cities and towns, the surface consists of tar, so less water soaks into the soil. Tsunamis. Tsunamis are huge waves caused by earthquakes under the sea. When these waves wash over the shore, they cause flooding. Effects of floods: injury and loss of life, diseases, displacement of people, damage to buildings and infrastructure, soil erosion and damage to fields. The impact of floods. Preparing for and responding to floods. Floods occurs when there is nowhere for water to run away. Town and city planners need to make sure that wetlands are protected as they absorb water. There should be enough green belt areas so that water can be absorbed into the ground. Stormwater drains should be built and kept clean. Residents should not build houses near areas prone to flooding. Furrows should be dug to force water to run away from homes. A good communication network should be set up to warn the residents. As you can see, here's a river that's busy flooding. As the water is rising because of all the sand that gets washed away and dumped at the bottom of the sea, so it causes flooding and the river rises. Grade 7s, we have reached the end of geography for term 2. Next time we will be doing study methods. God bless, and we'll speak again. Attached is our links: YouTube, Facebook, our school website, telephone numbers, email address, and don't forget the D6 communicator. Feel free to contact us on any of these links should you want to know something about work or school. Thank you. Speak again.